Welcome to our free education YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to check print account in Epson EcoTank printers. Epson, there are lot of EcoTank printers available. Using this method, you can check yourself how many printouts, if that a color printer, how many black printout, how many color printouts you are taking using your printer. So this is very important for the warranty also. Normally Epson EcoTank printer come with the copy count warranty. Like as example, some printers come with 1 year or 14,000 copy warranty. Some printer come with 1 year or 30,000 copy warranty. Some printers come with 1 year or 50,000 copy warranty, like that. So if your printer has a fault, you can check yourself how many printouts you have you have taken using this printer. According to your print count, warranty is still applicable for this printer. Those information you can check, or otherwise if you are going to buy a old used printer, using this method you can see the previous owner how many printouts he has taken from this printer. So to check the printer count, first of all you have to go to control panel in your computer. First you connect the printer. Okay, you connect the printer first and switch on the printer. Then go to the control panel. In control panel you can see under hardware and sound, you can see view device and printers. Click on that, view device and printers. Now you can see all the printers available in your computer, connect to your computer and install to your computer. I have installed Epson L550. Normally other L series printer also has same method. So I right click on the printer which I need to check the printer count, and go to printing preferences. So after some time you will open this kind of printing preferences window. In that window you can see this maintenance tab in the right corner, not right corner, left corner, last one. So click on the maintenance. Now you can see there are some buttons here, and if your printer is on, you can put paper in your printer, and you can click on the nozzle check. Okay, after some times, now my printer is not connected, so after some time it will appear window like this. So you can click on the print button. Then test print will come with the your print counter and the nozzle check also, how nozzle is working. So you can using this method you can check the number of printout taken and the quality of the print head. So thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, you can click on the like button. If you like to see more important video like this in future after we upload to YouTube, you can subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Then you will get a notification after we update a new video to YouTube. Thank you.